Good afternoon, Angela. I just wanted to make sure what you were talking about, that my course checklist doesn't match my sequence in the modules. I know the titles aren't the same. This first title for Gas Lab, Boyle's Law is what the module says, and it just called Gas Lab here. Is that okay? And then the titles seem to go on. And then we get to the thermochemistry unit, and this quiz has always been displaced. I made the document for this sequence with John Rolander my very first year here. I didn't know what I was doing. And this quiz actually covers through page 7. And it's listed to be given after page 6. And that's a problem. And we never rewrote the stuff in the module because I made so many course corrections that we finally got this on the fast track for course redevelopment. And I never bothered to make any more changes because I'm doing the redevelopment right now. But if you want me to move this quiz back, I'm going to have a problem because it has material that is from this lab and on page 7. So the course sequence as listed in this sequence on the right here is what's in error, but I can move it, but it's not going to work out very well for the students. Uh, then there's the lab calorimetry, the hand warmer design challenge, and then there's discussion hand warmer lab result discussion, and it's no longer listed here. And I believe it used to be here. I don't know where it went to. Am I supposed to unpublish this and not use it anymore? I didn't make this change, and last year I was the only person teaching the course. So I'm not sure what's going on, why that's not there anymore, and I need advice about what to do. Therefore, the quiz falls after page 7 in the module. Then we have the discussion that falls after page 9, and then the practice problems and the test. So going on through, I see the hydrogen peroxide lab. The quiz and the assignment here is at flip-flopped. I can reflip them. It really makes no difference at all. But this is how I found it when I went into the modules, and I did not perceive that that was a problem. And then when I go to kinetics, I see everything should be in the same sequence as expected, and I believe that's fine through the last module. So just let me know what I'm supposed to do about the fact that something is missing. There's a missing discussion from the checklist that is in the module. I've always used it. I've never not used it. And secondly, I know that there's a problem with a quiz being out of sequence in the module, always has been, just never got fixed. Thank you.